Hello YouTube. As you see, I got my new wheels put on yesterday, and I had a bunch of questions on Instagram about the tires and the wheels, so I'm going to answer them here on YouTube. Let's get back to the questions. First thing they asked was, why the 17s in the front and the 18s in the back? Well, I said earlier that this car, while it's my daily driver, is also going to be a weekend car that I'm going to go to the strip with, and my goal is to hit mid-13s. That being said, I decided to stick with the 17s right here because there are more options tire-wise when it comes to stickier tires, etc., compared to having the 18s on. And it just looks, actually, I like the way it looks with the little and larger wheel combination. That being said, if you're going to step up one size from a 16 factory to a 17, this is the size you need to get. The tires are 225 50R17s. They are the same height as your factory 16-inch tire and wheel combination, so your speedometer won't be off. You don't have to worry about any of those kind of issues. And also the clearance is fine. As you can see, the car's lowered with some lowering springs, and I have no interference, no rubbing, no nothing. You're going to have to get some camber plates, but this is the largest tire and wheel combination you can go, and it'll stay factory when it comes to cruise control, speedometer, etc. Now, the rear, I had questions on, is it taller than the 17s right here? Actually, it's not, because I got the right size tire. The tire is a 235 45 18. They also asked, does it rub? And the answer is no. And that's because this is the largest size you can put on this particular body style, either this or the previous generation, where even when the car is loaded up with people and it's tucked down into the wheel well, it won't rub. As you can see right here, there's plenty of room. This is what this is dropped 1.5 inches, and it just clears going inside. I didn't have to roll the inside fender well or anything. It will tuck right in there, even with a full load of people, and it won't rub. Now, the issue with this is do not go over 225 section width. I did that before when I had the 17s, and while it looks good with no one in the car, when the car was loaded up and the body went down, the tires will rub, end up having gouges right along the edges right here, even when I rolled the inner fender. And that is because anything over 225, the section width of the tire and the tread width is too wide, and you'll have interference. If you stick with a 225 45 18 tire, you'll be fine. Just remember to stick with a 40mm offset. This right here is the perfect offset. It fits right in here, no clearance, and plus this wheel will also fit in the front with no problems, because the offset is correct and the tire size and section width is correct. If you want to follow me here, click the subscribe button and the bell, and every time I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And you can follow me on Instagram, which will be in the description. Until next video, I see you.